Good day, my friends. Good day, everyone. Welcome to our channel, JGS Global Consult. I'm here to show you how you can be able to create your United Kingdom address, which is your UK address. And in this video, we'll be channeling on how you can be able to do that. So I'll start by telling you that this UK address has so many advantages. Like if you are buying from Amazon, like buying from amazon.co.uk, known that is only for the British residents. So you can be able to log into that site and input this your UK address and get your goods delivered in that address. So now I will show you the process which you can use to generate and create your own personal UK address. So firstly, we will start by going on to this website, which I recommend as the best website so far to buy things, to get an address and get it as a procureship website that is there to help you procure your goods and also help you deliver and ship down your goods to Nigeria. So firstly, I'll go by telling you to log into this website, which is www.shiptonigeria.com. So it's already on my page. So on this website, you see different ways you can be able to get it. So as a new member, you can click on join now as a new member, so they can help you after your creation of an account with them, and you successfully have an account with them. They will award an address mainly for you alone. So whatever you are buying, so far it is based in United Kingdom, which is United UK. You can buy things from England like that. You can get your goods delivered in that area because they will be there to receive the goods on your behalf and give you a message that your goods is already received. So all they will just have to do is bring it down to you in anywhere you are in Nigeria. So this is just a simple process which you can get your goods without leaving the comfort of your home. All you just need is create an account for free and have your own address. The thing, instead of going here and there ordering for them to bring it down to Nigeria from their own site, like Amazon site, they charge more. Because last time I ordered something like that, I noticed I spent roughly 70,000 only to bring a smartphone down to Nigeria. So this is just like a hint and assistance that they are really helping you out with to pay for a goods. You have to buy. It's easy. You can log into eBay, you can log into Amazon, or any site that you want to buy things from that it's not a Nigerian site. You can buy things from there and put in this address, and you get your goods in no distant time. They receive it for you, a message you instantly that a goods is received on your behalf, and you get your goods in no distant time. So now let us go by. You first of all go on by clicking join. So I'll be joining them now. So you fill in the details which they need. So I already have an account with them. So I want to log out. So I will log out and show you how it goes. So when you I logged out already. So I will just show you the process which you can go ahead and do yours on your own. So let it load. It's loading. So you click on join now as a starter, and this is just free and easy. Although I'll be sharing you a link in my description below, so that you can go and click on it and register your own account and get a bonus for your first order. Because it's like a referring stuff. As I'm referring you to it, you get the link and refer, and you get your bonus on your first order with a discount rate. So our advice is to check in my description below and get this. Register from the link and fill in the form necessary. So now we start by putting your name. If you're a male or a female, you go by Mr. or Mrs. or anything. Your name should be there. Your email too. Your first name should be added. So I'm Richard. I'll put in my name. So my email, any of the best email I have, you fill in there. Your password also, including your contact number, which is your phone number, the one you know that is always ready for you to pick. The one that is to go in, not the one that you know that they will call you and you are not there to pick up the call. So this is just a line that will be used to contact you whenever your goods is received, and your email too is also there too. And they also have a best customer service. You can join their WhatsApp group for any message that you want to ask or anything. You feel free to ask too. So you put in everything and you click on submit. Click on submit. After that, so they will review your account for 24 hours. So after your registration, your account will be reviewed for 24 hours, which has, after that, it's been approved. And after the approval, you have your own UK address, just like that. So as a member already, I'll click on sign in as a member already. So when it loads, I fill in my username and password to get access. So it's already saved, so I'll log into it. Sorry for the noise. Thing is loading. I want to show you my UK address, which I use to get goods delivered anywhere I am. So it's still loading. Okay, it has loaded. So I'm now in my dashboard. So this is my warehouse addresses. This is the one I use as my United States address. So this is for United Kingdom. Okay, this is it, United Kingdom, Liverpool. So this is my address. So as it is now, this is the address I'm awarded with. Whenever I'm buying things from, so far it is in UK, I can paste this address anywhere, including the number, the United Kingdom, the zip code, the state, and the city which I'm awarded to, which is Liverpool, and my unique ID also, and my name, and the address line. So this is all it needs for you to get your UK address just for free. So these are there to, you can save every of the thing here. You can save it on your phone. So whatever you are buying, wherever it is, so far you are in Nigeria, wherever you are buying things from, be it in any UK country, you can just paste this address and get your goods delivered ASAP. Please, if you know you have gotten value from this video, show some love by clicking on the like button, and please subscribe. Please subscribe to our channel, subscribe to GGS Global Consult. So thank you.